Did you know the fastest way to sound like an expert is to admit when you don't know something? Vashon discovered this during a high-stakes consulting meeting. He watched the lead advisor get hit with complex questions about market data. Instead of pretending to know every detail, the advisor said something unexpected. "I don't have those exact numbers with me, but here's what I know about the underlying trend." Then he dove deep into the core principles. The room leaned in. They trusted him more, not less. That's when Vashon realized something powerful. People don't trust know-it-alls. They trust people who know what they know and what they don't. When you admit uncertainty about specific details while showing deep knowledge of the big picture, you signal something important. You're thoughtful. You're honest. You're the real deal. While his competitors overpromised and underdelivered, Vashon started using strategic uncertainty. "I'd need to research that specific case, but based on these principles," suddenly clients saw him as the careful expert worth consulting. Because confident uncertainty beats fake certainty every time.